It's a box.
Open it up and see what's inside.
I love boxes. It's a box. Yeah, I can hold it. No, I got it.
What is it? Oh my goodness.
What is it, Clara?
I'm doing craft.
Craft things? What do you say to Oma?
Thanks. Good look, a notebook. You put this on your. This is even cut.
Oh, that one you write on and wipe off.
Yeah, and it's on and you magnet it to the refrigerator. This one came from your grandpa's house.
Just a collection.
Wow.
Open up on the inside. I think it's a paper doll book.
Let's see.
You get to dress up the princesses.
Here, go to the very back. Oh, yeah, it is. You can make stuff.
Oh my goodness. What do you say to Oma?
Thanks. This one, read the card.
That one's from your other grandma. Chase, do you want to help her read the card?
I can help you read it. It's Chase. Okay. Yeah, no, I can do it. No, I know how to do it. Chase, where did your red spoon go? Where you can cut? Is it washed? No, I know where it is. What's that? Like warm and fuzzy whiskers. Oh, it doesn't make it any. Oh.
Oh, cute.
Okay, now open present. No, let's go inside. Oh, it says, for a bright and happy day. Claire, I hope your birthday is fun. Love, your grandma.
Isn't that sweet?
Okay. Dad, no, I got it. It's a box. It's a box. Yay, another box. When I know open the box, this one. Wait, no. Claire blew this up by herself.
To what?
I think Claire blew this up by herself. Yeah, I
She
did.
did?
Yeah, but Dad had to tie it. I blew it all by myself.
That was impressive. You must be 5.
No, when I was 4, I still could do it. When I was 4.
Really?
Yeah, I learned how to do it.
What do you have?
What is it?
It's what
Some drawing papers?
Yeah, the drawing papers. Now I told them.
Great.
Now open this one. Ooh, can't find the pen too. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a music.
Careful.
Be careful with
Be
it.
careful.
It's a music box. I know. Nothing else on there.
What is it?
Do you know what it is?
It's music box. It's microphone.
It's a
There's
CD
a
player.
CD player with microphone.
So you can
play
sing
your
with
own
the
music
songs.
and sing along.
What do you think?
And show us your bike. Do you like your new bike?
Yeah. It's huge. I know. And I like the horn because it has that cute horn. Let's do this one. I'm going to joke that we should use it to wake you up in the morning. Does this one have a horn?
Just try it.
This one did not have parts.
See what you get
New
for your
sandals.
birthday.
New sandals.
She dares ya.
Huh?
CD?
Daddy!
There, no,
No, those-
Justin Bieber!
This is your own music CD.
Wait, how did you know that was Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber looks like that. I already knew that. And singing, it's and Bob the Lobster.
Kid Bob Gold. Ooh, I like those.
Now I'm gonna open this one.
I like the one with Justin Bieber.
This
She,
read it.
Horn.
Ooh, the new flowers. A dress.
Ooh,
Another dress.
Whoa, those are beautiful.
hold them up so I can see
Okay.
them.
What do you say, Clara?
Can you smile? Thank you. Those are tights that have no feet. They're legging tights with fun frilly at the bottom. So you don't have to worry about your toes getting uncomfortable. Claire, show me your Justin Bieber CD.
I like Justin Bieber.
I know you do. Are you so happy you have a CD now? Can you see your face too? Smile. And now I want to see your CD player. Can you hold that up one more time and let me take a picture? Smile. Smile. Okay.
Let's do open.
I
think that's it. What do you say?
everything. Happy birthday.
Should we sing happy birthday real quick?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You guys, all of us do, even the chipmunks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
That's cute. Happy birthday, Clara. We love you. Can I have a hug? I need a birthday hug. A 5-year-old birthday hug. Oh. And give one to Chase.